he tried to see the light. Limbs failed when he fell down from the couch. With fear in his eyes, he tried to talk, but the words wouldn't come out. Seemed like he lost his mind. Felt helpless as he rolled around the floor. Sent shivers down my spine. What has he done? Will his mind ever come back? But every day people try to numb their pain, or they say it's just fun and games, living while they're young. And every time all they do is mess with their mind. Think about the rest of your life, you only get one. Then suddenly outside, he jumped headfirst from the second floor. Sent shivers down my spine. What has he done? Has his time really run out? But every day people try to numb their pain, or they say it's just fun and games, living while they're young. And every time all they do is mess with their mind. Think about the rest of your life, you only get one.
Hello and namaste सबैजनालाई. It's your boy Amrit Kesi aka Young Nepali, all the way from Pokhara to Lamtari Dada. So यो भिडियो चाहिँ हाम्रो short trek related छ Lamtari Dada सम्मको. अनि त्यसपछि we'll be back to our own place. अनि हामी चाहिँ अहिले on the way to खिमाजे. अनि खिमाजेको यो बीचको यो एउटा चौतारीमा हामी एकछिन रेस्ट गरेको भाइ र म. हेलो भाइ. हेलो. तिम्रो हल्का इन्ट्रो देऊ त.
मेरो नाम चाहिँ युवराज खनाल. मेरो
हामी चाहिँ एउटै ठाउँबाट लोकेट गर्छौं गाइज. अनि हामी दुईजना चाहिँ आज हिँड्दिम न त, घुम्दिम न त, लमतरी डाँडासम्म गइदिम न त भनेर आज जान लागेको थियौं. सो भाइले मलाई मोटिभेट गर्यो अनि मैले नि उलाई मोटिभेट गरे. सो वी आर गोइङ. हामी अन द वे मा छौं. सो लाग्ने नै हो त. ठीक छ ल. हामी धेरै बेर यहाँ बसेनौ गाइज. त्यही भएर हामी अब फेरि मुभ गर्छौं किनभने हामीलाई सनराइज सनसेट भेटाउनु पर्ने छ. अनि लेट्स सी कस्तो हुनेवालामा छ यो हाम्रो सर्ट हाइकिङ. तपाईहरुलाई अभियसली मैले प्रेजेन्ट गरिरहेको नै छु. So before starting my other part, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon down below. If you do so, you'll get updates about my new videos. अनि यति तपाईहरुलाई मेरो भिडियो मन परेको छ भने गाइज प्लिज डोन्ट फर्गेट टु शेयर इट विथ योर फ्रेन्ड्स. हल्का फुल्का मोटिभेट गर्नु पर्यो गाइज शेयर गरेर है त. Here we begin our video. हैन त भाइ?
Yes bro.
Go to that place where I took you last summer before the fall, where the sky was purple and we drank from the bottle. We felt it all by the lighthouse on the hill. We opened the door to a different world, leaving everything behind. Just you and I. Open up your eyes. I wish that I could stay here all my life. Just you and I, sitting under purple skies. You last summer on top of the hill, where the path was golden as it led to the ocean, quiet and still by the lighthouse on the hill. We opened a door to a different world, leaving everything behind. Just you and I. Open up your eyes. But we only know, with a meaning so special, a place that was meant for more than we know. By the lighthouse on the hill, we opened a door to a different world, leaving everything behind. Just you and I. Open up your eyes.
त्यहाँ बस त पहिला